to boy, in your way to boy, in your way to boy, if I say, if I want disrespect here in public, okay. May they hear you. You know, so you did the shut up and I should not see him. The man went tell na say, the man when they talk, na be that one. So they call me. You know, they respect your old age, Papa. There's a way they respect your old age, you know, sir. You know, they respect your old age. Money when you owe me, you don't pay. You don't pay. Hello? I have to be some man and get the key.
I bet you the answer what they speak there, you feel explain before we start Dutch.
Sir, I wasn't to speak for English. Now they repeat for his sound. Not get important.
Wait it off for his sound.
He said the man not the his father not the respect himself. Or what was that they respected boy? I mean he say father not the respect himself. And the same thing now he repeat for English. What he talk for his side, repeat that for English.
Okay. So German translator, now your turn. Let's go.
Peter has no niche beside my gate. Was? Meine Geld, meine Kinder Peter has the cloud. Peter no niche beside.
Benjamin.
Ja?
Hör mir jetzt bitte zu. Ich rede das jetzt einmal.
Bitte, so, bitte.
Hör mir bitte
Stop that. Su. Sie, Su. Ich bin nicht in Deutschland, du bist in Deutschland. Mir scheißegal. Ich bin in dir, du und Peter. Sie und Peter haben Scheiße gemacht.
Jama translator, continue. I greet you.
In the tell the woman say Papa Peter.
Never pay money.
Maybe Pablo talk.
In a talk, say the papa not pay money. Say the papa collect the pikin money, and the woman come and say no, it's not possible in Deutschland.
Okay, the woman come and say it's not possible in Deutschland.
It's not possible in Deutschland. May papa that is make grandpapa they collect pikin, may no money. And the truth, like the woman they talk, because that woman blessing na Dutch and that woman.
Dutch woman, yeah, na Dutch woman.
Now we wait till that woman they talk just now.
Okay, the woman they tell us say may not they pull out for the eye they get say they not collect money. See how they thought this is how many days? Say Papa Benjamin not collect money.
No, enough he collect. It's not possible. Ask me.
And they told us it's how many days? Say Papa Benjamin not collect money. Then they see all this video what they do, so they come debunk him.
He tell the woman say for him he not concern her because he not dey Deutschland again.
They still say he not concern her. Say that is Scheißegal. That means not concern her.
Yeah, for me it's Scheißegal. He's been nicht mehr in Deutschland. Du bist in Deutschland.
He know who's a bit speaker. I want to be Dutch safe.
He knows it's a bit speak Dutch.
No, front, go back, carry back, go front.
That one I ain't Dutch. I ain't.
Maybe that one are street. Now don't we pick for streets. No, not be school Dutch.
Street liability Dutch.
I know street already.
Okay, wait. I want continue. Let's go.
Okay.
Ich bin nicht in Deutschland, du bist in Deutschland. Mir scheißegal. Ich bin in dir, du und Peter. Sie und Peter haben Scheiße gemacht. Sie haben mir gesagt, seit 5 Jahren, ich muss zurück nach Afrika. Jetzt ich bin Afrika. Ich bin Afrika. That's the reason why you don't have child, man. Du hast keine Kinder. Du musst das machen. Du hast gemacht, weil du hast kein Kind. Du hast kein Kind. Scheiße. Sie und Peter ist Scheiße, Leute.
Pass auf, Benjamin.
Bitte sprach Englisch, ich spreche kein Deutsch. Ich spreche kein Deutsch. Deutsch ist Scheiße. Bitte sprach Englisch. Sprech Englisch, ich brauche English. Speak English. You speak English.
Bros, Abel, tell us what he talk. While are they everywhere?
The woman tell her say he say not be papa collect the money. Then he come ask the guy, say what the guy need from her was brushed to from here. You understand?
So brushed to from here.
Yeah, so the guy come tell her say the papa collect the money, say he not dey Germany again. You understand? Say papa tell her say may he come since 5 years now. Papa tell her say may he come Nigeria. Say he don't reach Nigeria now. Say he need him money. Say they bring him money come.
Okay, say he need the money. Say he don't reach Nigeria. May they bring him money come.
He say papa say may he go Nigeria. Say now he don't do Nigeria now. Say he need the money. May papa bring the money. And the papa that money self me I don't understand. It's not possible. It's important. You understand? I don't know where the guy don't understand Germany or German system. Me no understand. Me no
Wait,
understand. The
Papilo, I don't understand one thing. Who was talking to him with Dutch? Now, the Papa wife.
The papa wife wey
Why
be
they tell the
Igbo,
woman
papa
say?
wife wey be Igbo.
Why they use picking laugh the woman say he not get picking?
No, so they
Imagine.
do. I say they do. If na Nigeria, the woman be
You
now.
laugh the woman say the woman not born.
The woman not born. Should I say the woman get one picking? That one boy in bedside.
The black say another woman that born that one for Papa Benjamin.
No. According to waiting me see this morning, it be like say Papa Benjamin born one for Deutschland, but you guys see the Peking as special Peking. You understand?
No.
He can use that Peking.
Benjamin sibling where Oyibo born. That
Guys,
one
everybody
get-
power tap your skin. Let's
that
go.
one
Everybody
born
power
pikin.
tap
Now
and
that
share
one
the last stream.
that be yeah.
Please, if you
that
are
be
just joining, you are
behind
welcome. Everybody, massive power tap and share the live stream. Let's go.
the Papa grand pikin. Now be behind there. That one get behind there. Not be the one your Papa born be behind there. Yeah, he said because one video when I fell listening to, he said the one where he born pikin, the papa all the children no one good. The one where he born that one pikin now behind like he want use and do something. How possible one from here use pikin where they you do bony for
So
Nigeria.
Benjamin Papa, he born Bessa.
Now he grand pikin, now he pikin, now he
He
born
born
am.
Bessa for Jamie.
Now he pikin, now he born am. No be
Hello,
Benjamin
they are not
Papa
hearing
born
me.
am.
Now they hear me.
We dey hear you, bro.
Born am.
Your network is shake. We dey hear you, bro.
I say Benjamin Papa born Bessa for Benjamin. He born Bessa for Jamie.
Not be Benjamin Papa born am. Now the
say na he grand
pikin
pikin.
Papa
He
Benjamin
don't
born. Now he born am. That is a grandchild.
Okay,
grandchild.
Papa Benjamin Pikin, a grand Pikin, that be in Bessa.
Yeah.
Okay.
I call her special Peking special. I won't call her in the side again.
Special Pikin. Okay.
Special.
Okay, more we continue now. More continue.
Now, come Benjamin talk. Nobody even knows whether the child now special child. It's just that you don't they laughing, Papa. The
They
pikin,
use
the
am laugh,
pikin, the
Papa.
grand.
The one where he born, what he
not be
be?
special child. He not be special child. They don't they laughing, Papa.
Why they even put pikin?
But say-
Who born special child? Who not born special child? Now that one be carried. Whether that's the person or not the
Bless
person.
me, I explain. You don't let me talk when I explain when I try now.
You try, my brother. Pablo, you
Let me
really
talk
try.
finish.
You try.
I
Don't be nobody say
understand
you
Dosh.
try.
I understand Dosh.
Who say you not try?
Blessing. He said I don't explain that way. I explain that way now. I will say they talk.
Listen,
I want
you
to
don't explain
explain
that
am
way.
again.
When man already, huh? When man on Saturday, why we know your time?
I
How you say me
just
take talk?
Oh, fian bae. Now, but they don't know fian bae.
Nothing called
How we know your
January.
time? Come on, yeah. Oh, why, yeah, my brother, you try. So let's continue.
Market was gemacht, weil du hast kein Kind. Du hast kein Kind. Scheiße. Sie und Peter ist scheiße, Leute.
Pass auf, Benjamin.
Bitte sprach Englisch, ich spreche kein Deutsch. Ich spreche kein Deutsch. Deutsch ist scheiße. Bitte sprach Englisch. Sprach Englisch, ich brauche Englisch. Speak English. You speak English. Speak English. Speak English.
You are a child or what are you? I can't speak to you. I can't say only one sentence.
Yeah, say it. I can hear you in English. Say it in English. Say it in English.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What kind of drugs you take? Tell me.
This is the lie you lie.
What did the woman to say? What kind of drugs are you
Like
taking?
the woman they ask her say which kind of drug he dey take. You wait till they talk. You know, so German they ask.
Okay,
sometimes.
if you they talk out with English, maybe they use Benito they talk and make people they use this. But now three language will they that will they do this and that three language.
And
That
he
will they do this analysis.
call it Papa Shaize. That is shit. He call it Papa shit.
Okay.
He call the
Hey, we had
woman.
to the one away or tira eshazi me we unwera digbagbe. On where digba te eshazi. Abi?
Shaize. That is shit. 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 That is like is an insult. It's an insult in
I think they
Germany.
say chazi on where digba chazi. Which one be chazi?
Shaize. Now insult for Germany. Like maybe like person they just the insult person. And maybe like you are a shit. Like those kind of slants.
Okay.
Yeah,
So if you had to aware onwera digbagbe o case man be tag say we have a give you do if you do my Jamie chazi ya
All this one wey they do, but why not insult? Why not stand? They call it Papa. They insult and when they Deutschland.
Okay, more continue, Rabbi. Hello, continue, Rabbi.
Nationalish.
Okay, continue.
I can hear you in English. Say it in English. Say it in English.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What kind of drugs you take? Tell me.
This is the lie you lied to police that I take drugs.
So stupid.
Why you don't ask your motherfucking daughter if I take drugs? You are stupid. You don't know yourself. You are a fool because you don't have child. That's why you allow you use my father as a goat. My father don't have sense. That's why I put you in the house.
Hello, water. Hello.
He spoke. Both of them were speaking English.
I say why you three language now. Yes, I go they talk. Use this to talk with it. So that's some people go they hear when. So me go use. Me go use
English.
We dey hear English now.
Sister, everybody there for work. My yare man, winner. I bet Esa person we there. Wait till talk for Esa. Use this to talk.
He never
Okay.
speak Esa now. He no speak Esa.
No, the English way
No,
you
it's
speak.
not
Use
that
this to talk with it. Talk yours now.
And your plan again, I put my ear well. Plan again.
I bet you there here for translator, my sister.
I dey listen for myself now. If we never
Winner, my sister. I'm your winner. So that way, where
I'm
is this?
looking for myself.
Maybe they
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
translate it. Or only the Jamie translate it. A Benjamin I when I'm my. A Benjamin I when I'm with my. Let's go. Let's go. Yakbeo.
You are stupid. You don't.
You take. Tell me.
This is the lie you lied to police that I take drugs.
So stupid.
Why you don't ask your motherfucking daughter if I take drugs? You are stupid. You don't know yourself. You are a fool because you don't have child. That's why you allow you use my father as a goat. My father don't have sense. That's why I put you in the house. He not supposed to put you in the house. My father not supposed to put you in the house. You this liar, Dutchland liar. Logan. You feel Logan. Feel Logan. This is a fraud. Feel Logan.
Okay. I bet obviously like water. Use
Oye
this to tell
oge
you what.
boy. Oye oge boy. Ge anokwa wa bia. Oge araba chebe.
They don't go no. Ona be
Oge
well.
araba chebe.
Why
be
yeah,
well,
don't laugh. I tell you something, don't laugh. Why don't laugh.
I'm very
Talk away. Wait till talk with this talk.
Yeah, ayo ukuwa ane bono sukumole. No don't know daughter no so ukumu biale. Sukumu no si daughter no so. No I daughter no so. No I daughter no so no ukumu biale. Abai. Ale no. Oya abai no. Ge oge gbabai. Oge gbanebo.
Yes, oh yeah.
No shit.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh shit.
Why yeah? I didn't win and then win a general wagi. I didn't get it winner. Why yeah?
Na marini trap.
Okay,
Urume.
not trap,
Incomplete.
Incomplete.
Wetin he talk incomplete. Wetin I wan ask Benjamin say why he no go ask the doctor? Na the same doctor na Benjamin and the Oyibo dey use. Where the doctor go tell am say see the kind drugs wey dey take.
Sister, wetin this woman translate complete?
He correct. Na
Incomplete. Now so it be incomplete.
Okay.
Yeah,
Pablo, the Dutch time.
Okay, he say what he talking? He said the woman.
Pablo.
Yeah.
Pablo.
I dey hear you. Oh.
No, use Dutch. Stay there. Use Dutch. Stay there.
They dey hear Dutch for yeah.
No, they hear Dutch now.
Use Dutch. Stay there.
No, may I break out that for pidgin? They not dey hear Dutch.
No. Use Dutch. Don't worry. Not be you go use English. Use Dutch. Stay there. Wait till talk.
Yeah. The spy Lloyd says. Huh?
Benjamin has gesagt, the father is go to Dutch. Tiger. Nein, nicht Tiger. Siger.
Pablo.
Benjamin has gesagt, the papa is Siger.
A woman now. Okay. No. Okay, Mudia.
No, Prince. Benjamin has.
Where Mudia is where Mudia.
Leave a bit talk.
Benjamin at mit ihre Papa, Frau geredet, dass die Frau sie hat keine Kinder. Und die Frau muss
speak loud.
Fragen, warum sie hat keine Kinder.
Okay, so I say
correct now.
Of course, if you wait, now I ask people where they speak Dutch here. He try about waroro no ororo no watamane ororo. Yeah, wagie. No laugh, no laugh. He try. If you try, say yes.
Na
Yeah, we
proud
go.
mommy will ask.
He try.
He correct now. What shall we say no? Cock speaker.
Yeah, we yes. Yeah, we yes.
He
You get Germany,
correct.
oh, yeah, we yes.
He correct now.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. If you do, if you know how to do, onwe erere magba. Ohera was Morocco, or was ye Ghana, or was ye kiki. Any time ohera we only way yata near wodowe rime wona. Eat wana. If you do, I did the washing Nick Benebu, Nivi Caboebu, if I said I will do your time, and where we Imavizedu, and where we have it, Germany Nick Benebu, where we can have a case in the video one, we wash him up. Or where Magba? Where Magba? Or mono tower Magba? Or money, yeah, do. Or more not bonera direct face to face. On highway na tawera on night with call with his father or bonera face to face. If you do, egbe na ma no keke ni mo auda e ravija. E na magure. Ni mameke na do atemi no sunuwe. Wu wayana. Because when a mo so ya titeri yan vision we webo o marigba. Eni ya majima do wa gwe o ya wesi. Let's continue.
Are you out of your brain or whatever is you?
You are stupid. You are out of your brain. You are a fool. I came to Germany by myself. You are telling me about
The power tapping is low. The sharing is low. Why is it like that, please? If you are not enjoying the platform, please. If you are enjoying this program, give me less power. When I carry the power tap, go 10,000. Please, let's go. Please. People here the tap power tap for me. When they do it for me. Okay, please. If you are enjoying the program, let's do it with one love. Everybody, let's go. Thank you.
Are you out of your brain or whatever is you?
You are stupid. You are out of your brain. You are a fool. I came to Germany by myself. You are telling me I came to Germany by myself. Are you the one who brought me to Germany? Were you the one who brought me? Was Peter who brought me?
Das Kindergeld kann nur deine Lehrer kriegen. Nur deine Lehrer.
Nee, scheiße. Das. Nee. Sie und Peter hat diese Geld gekriegt. Ich habe gefragt. Hat mir gesagt, meine Eltern hat diese Geld gekriegt. Jetzt ist ein Problem mit Vera, weil Vera denke, wir zusammen haben diese Geld genommen. Scheiße.
Jama Oi, Pablo.
Baba, Adeya.
Pablo.
Adeya, Baba.
What did he talk?
The Benjamin say if papa collects the money, then the woman say no, say no be papa collect the money, say it's not possible. Now what is it talk?
Useless woman. Carry it out.
Bro, this guy, I say no way. More listen to Vera's sister. I say Vera's sister talk on this issue.
Yeah.
More fair go Vera's sister. But man, not Vera. I quick play that one. They sent her for me yesterday. Let's go. Vera's sister, he talk on this issue. So when I all wait, may I play with Vera's sister talk? That's Vera junior sister. Now they hear me so Vera junior sister. We'll see what he talk on this issue. Now be smart, you. I understand you. Okay, let's go. When I listen to Vera junior sister.
Inject you, Sha. If Jama no inject you, may Belgium inject you. Which country but we wrong go? They say na Belgium. She wrong go Belgium. She they run they go after how many years? Ule ya Germany re. Ule ya pa Germany re no gbe o. overnight. Night that thing they rock more for Germany. They pack load overnight. They run. He say he wants to get them. He won't tell they say he's smart. He won't do this. And now she rock more for Germany. Of course, you know say now as they don't deport that also night bus she use. She don't go Belgium. They say for Belgium. That's why I tell them say anywhere wanna for the same be make una the video run. Wa video na wa be here wa video Ogondo be make una the video anywhere wanna see wa video wa muri.
This na Vera junior sister they talk so more than the listing. In life, pray say may you not come for bad family, a family down, or may you not go marry for bad family. Pray who they pray for life say make I not go marry for bad family. When they hear me so, you there here they watch me now, you they feel say what they do now, they waste time, and they create awareness so that you go they pray for your life. Say Baba God, family where I want go, family where I want for bear children. Make it not be bad family. Nigga family down. Family no see one family never shame. Family no a disgrace. These are what you're supposed to be praying for. Imagine Vera junior sister. Look at this stage. See what they tell his sister. Oh wait, ni jete. Nah, chazy.
She don't go Belgium. They say for Belgium. That's why I tell them say anywhere wanna for the same be make una the video run. Wa video na wa be here wa video Ogondo be make una the video anywhere wanna see wa video wa muri. If I catch her for Spain here, if I know say they Spain, I they go there. Anywhere when they for Spain, anywhere no really in Spain. Anywhere not in Spain, that's it. They will carry you from here, go Germany. If they born you will come to Spain. Anywhere when they for Spain, they come there. Yeah, do baba. No, I will come for you. You must go back to Germany. Germany must inject you. Everything. Any you know you have they pursue you. Everything you do for Germany, I will tell them here. Okay. If they born you will come, see your come Spain. Anywhere when you there for Spain, come. Make I know say you there Spain. I will come that place. Nowhere for Spain, anywhere at all. Make I hear say you there. You will go back to that Germany. Cause udo fian Spain na gua. No, you know will contain idiots. When they carry those things best side they go no
Vera junior sister
anywhere when they're there. If now Belgium is still there. If now Belgium is still there.
Vera junior sister.
I hope Belgium people will deport you back. Yes. If German people they deport you back to Germany. German people will inject you. They will collect those lizards, those imbeciles, and then after they don't inject you, when they go through way you for a car. When they go through way for a car. But before they will go through way for a car, may they inject you first. We are fearing though.
I will make better.
If not only waiting come out from your toto.
Dan Prince.
What you come up with toto? Mama.
Dan Prince, you see this Vera going to another country, it's not go possible. Wherever Vera go, they will still bring her back to Germany because she don't dey here. It's too quick.
Bring her back to Germany.
They will bring Vera back to Germany. Oh boy, Remania, he can't dey here.
And because of her children.
Don't dey here. They don't put her hand down. They don't even like malice give them anything to stay. Wherever Vera goes, she's coming back to Germany. Oh, you are the big here at Germany. And when the Italy, I quick came and Italy.
If you see all those German people planning to collect those children for her hand, though, not be she the day after. Now those children the day after.
What do they want to use the children?
They want collect her for her hand.
They take children from her. They are not taking children from her. They want deport her, they'll deport her with those children.
They fit collect
Somebody says
am.
it's not possible. Say they will not bring her back. Yeah, but
They will bring her back because her hand don't dey there. The children they go school here. Wherever Vera go, if they complete her, they see her saying at Germany fair day, they go call Germany. Germany go tell them they bring her back.
Jamie, you say they carry her come back.
Yes, because the children they go school here.
Really?
Now, good morning, yo.
Mrs. Grace, good morning.
Morning, sir. I want you to contribute for wetin sister talk just now. That girl, anything we make her come off for Germany, even though you go Italy, go on, like they fit carry and go back. They don't carry and go back. It's not possible.
They're not carry and go back.
Na like even though say Tom Pri don dey Germany, Germany don't give grant her. As far as say na she comot, not be them pursue her. They no go carry am come back based on she get her own reason why she comot. She can she
Not they pursue her.
if she wants to stay
If they pursue her, that is why she will not come back. After saying she come out, they go bring her back. The children they go school there. They don't give her something to stay.
Because if you enter any country now, you don't have to go there Dublin.
Madam, not be all case. Madam, not be all case. Not be all case, madam. What about people where be say their hand all day Italy, Spain? They can't come on Germany, they can't come on France. Not be all case, madam.
But Prince, if you want even though people they do another country, they'll get serious case. They'll come Germany.
They'll come on. Not be all case, madam.
Even for years, they go even get they don't carry them go back. So
because
like
of
this
that children, they go accept her. Not be okay.
Yes, they go accept her. They'll take care of her with the children. So men would they talk?
I don't see person. I don't see person where from here. I don't see person where from here. From Aduro, he go France. France don't give him paper with 2 children. Not be okay.
Because you know why they talk if you come off for all those kind of country, your company will be doubling. Get it called doubling. If Vera
yes,
for any country now,
but they accept them. They accept. Okay, I want to ask you now one question. What about people where don't complete for
May I
Italy?
tell you the procedure of doubling. If it did doubling under 2 months or 3 months, they go they call Jamie. Whether make they return her back. Now Jamie will come decide say, "Mona not return her back, or Mona leave," because they must call. When me come in France, may I tell that story. When I come France, when they talk with me, my hand they Italy. They come to say, "I dey on that doubling." They come to say, "What did they go do?" They'll give me some process of like 2-3 months. May they take call Italy. That's doubling process. People who don't experience this thing, they talk. I don't know that everybody don't experience them. So they will not say under some few months they will call Italy. May they know whether Italy or something they bring you come. You understand me? So if you look France here, if you not pass Dublin, you know if you go opera, you know if you go Chopaduro, you know if you go opera, go to because you must first pass Dublin process. And inside that Dublin process, if the country where you for first seek asylum, say they bring you back, they must carry you go back. Because many people for Italy, for France, when me see, we're gonna do the same camp, the same hotel where they give us when you come, they carry some go back. Because why? They not fit pass the big process because the Italy say me they carry the come back. So they carry the come back. For my own, I surprised say I passed that Dublin. Italy not say they carry us go back.
Yeah, because their own asylum
don't be Dublin process. You say?
Their asylum never finish. Now may they return them back. Their asylum for
the asylum they finish. You know the listing. You know what do you mean talk now? The
asylum they finish.
Asylum they finish. If you finish, not be the made they give that Dublin.
No, be so.
For Jamie, yes. For Jamie, if your asylum is finished, they'll give you Dublin. They'll say may you come out for their country.
Now make her they say it depends. They fit carry her go back, they fit no carry her go
back. For this case,
yes, you see, now we talk it depends. It depends.
Yeah, but for me, for this Vera case, I didn't think so. Say she will go back.
But me, I prefer make she try her luck because that place.
I prefer say make she come on because as it is. So if you don't
case, Miss Grace, for this Vera case, they don't even give Vera something to stay. They not pursue her. They don't give her something to stay. Vera get what is that they stay here. You understand? She not be, I don't know whether she still be Aduro, but she gets something when she say they live here. She get waiting the.
But if Vera not come on, they will come for her. They will come for her. She just has to go. Let me y'all come out. Now I go favor her with her children. If you not come on, they will come for her for that with between her children because of the thing where Vera already they talk. You
Okay,
understand?
now people, wait, may I continue now? More continue.
If now only waiting come out for your toto, if now only waiting come out for your toto when you fed do, or say no we are why who are gonurena.
Waiting come out for a toto. They say something come out for Vera toto. Wala watamame.
Leave this one. Now they play a video again. Leave this one.
Wona wait now. They say something come out for a toto. Wala watama. Vera wala dem we.
What the children when she born? Now children when she born.
Thank you, Governor. Thank you so much. Now children when she born, they talk to.
Now children, they talk about.
Because there's children, they talk say something come out for a toto. Wait till me like.
Say the things will come out for a toto, which is his children.
Wait till me dem way.
If now only waiting come out for your toto, if now only waiting come out for your toto when you fed do, or say no we are why who are gonurena. Yes. Ule we are ula benyen ula bueji. If now only the thing when it come out for your show, we say that they swear for you day and night. Your life, the mystery of your life, you're the start. Oh, was one. Yes. If now only the factory when you break man for that you're rotting toto, those one they swear for you every blessed day. No any other person will even walk like that. Yes. As you not get peace, none of your life get peace. Would that be one? Or not be person say when you bring them come. Not on top of the atrocity when you don't commit.
Yeah.
You did not only commit atrocity to that, you commit even up to the things when they come out from your toto. Yeah, you can't say me, you can't do okay for the. Imagine waiting in the past.
I beg, if there's someone that describe this kind of family, who will describe this kind of family for me? Please, if you can describe this kind of family for me, can you say hi?
They talk to. If not Vera will still do the same thing.
That's what I'm saying now. Please, can you describe this kind of family for me?
Bros, good morning, sir. Abomination family.
You say?
Abomination family. Abomination family.
It's such a mad family.
How you tell me? Can somebody describe this kind of family for me, please?
Nobody feel condemn them. Nobody feel advise each other. Hey God, one no good. There is a family where we say one person no good.
Now those generational curse family where we say curse.
Generational curse family.
Where we say curse, they follow those.
Thank you for power tapping, guys. Everybody share the last one. Let's go. Power tap, massive. Let's go.
Go for
which kind of family be this one? Please, if you know you can explain this kind of family for me. Say I in the comment section. I bring you up.
Disgrace-free family. They get plenty name to describe them. Disgrace-free family. They get me. Different names.
Describe this kind of family for me.
Shameless. Very shameless. Very shameless.
Now people,
they don't even have love for each other. They don't even care for each other. All they care about.
I know Bob no better pass they bought all these ones.
All of them, they care about their own downfall. They don't care about how they will take grow for the family.
This one said the case is from the foundation. No prayer can save them.
my people, when I not vessel, you get one lady where you talk your experience about wetin happen to her for Jamie. I see take bag and leave Jamie because of this Benjamin matter. I beg na Benin she take talk, but when we play our video small, they just send her for me say the video dey interesting. Please, may I play for the mother see the video. It dey interesting, but na Benin she take talk. For those one who know the hear Benin, I beg if you see anybody with the hear Benin for comment section, send her 50 euro, make it tissue or make translate for you. Okay? If you see anybody where be say you know say in the year Benin, send her 50 euro for comment section. Okay? So that may translate for you. Anyway, now beneath it talk.
You are not hearing me.
They are not hearing me. Yahweh do. Go and let Bini. You say you don't want to let Bini. Now you know. Go and let Bini. You don't want to let Bini. See better updates on one drop now. You know we hear. You are not hearing. You are not hearing. Let's go. Let's go. What are the list you?
Mami wanota we emania deport we Jamie. Runda we winner or say yana deport ya. And runda we EIJ school or say yana deport ya. Ooh, ya ma winner oh. Ya woman no kawese or even no timi. He made do tamu we nanya. Jamie mene orobe ni kaw. Iga are Jamie for many years. Aduma enwe or meha. Biebe Jamie, who make a night baby Jamie. Or meha a biebe Jamie. I will beat the one more time. Any Jamie out with I back there, I am no small, or when way you whatever sister, or when way you whatever brother. I saw a masun dawe, a George. I saw a mini. Getting a deport mama, or the soon dawe, and said, who met me, even me, I retire Banya. You will never believe. You will never accept it. Or see or sunu dawe. I make you no sunu dawe. And ever no ma believe. I do what I want my guess sunu daene. Okay, me na anyway yes. E matter agilita. You must forget it now. Now, here are few shots. I'm not here to say everything about me. I'm all here to tell you where Irare Jamie. Ina Evani ina biele. Jamie. Hamani mena hame ubafa. Nina ham ubafa. Ina a school. A school. Imagine ye what pronounce because of it when yak babani. Iga a school not a item flingering, which is a school and not baoge ave the hospital. But ye daughter, but
she went to school in Germany, then they called that school Anthem Fingare. Hello, they are not yeri bini.
Because of it when yak babani. Iga a school not a item flingering, which is a school and not baoge ave the hospital. But ye daughter, but ye baoge ave the or guys not change your purpose in anything. But I was going to that school and I pay me a school in a city in very Jamie, regular housing, and Vessien would done. Are you getting area name a garage? So I was going to school, although I never walk. Iga maybe 1 year's document. Nyati paragraph 25. Iga me. Imane paragraph.
He said he get paper. Now 1 year's document. Hello, they are not hearing me. She said she get paper, but now 1 year's, not be 1 year, 1 year's document. One of the list away.
Jamie, regular housing, and Vessien would done. Are you getting area name a garage? So I was going to school, although I never walk. Iga maybe 1 year's document. Niati paragraph 25. Iga me. Imane paragraph 28 to 25.
Get document where you say get like Benjamin document. What are the list you 1 year's old, not be 1 year old, 1 year's. You have another years by 1 year's like Benjamin. You don't say Benjamin, you not see 1 year's. Let's go.
You got 1 year's document. You got renew for all the years, Nigbe. I might change it to be 2 years. I might change anything like back to way. Then my old husband or that for me. Only man be on be Osvax, which is 6 months documents. Or or that for me, on winner for 5 years and some months. Be good with Jamie. Go and ask people that know us. Or that for me winner night shift. Or that for me winner Amazon.
Amazon.
Are you getting Amazon? Or that for me winner. Let me shock you.
She said her husband was working for 5 years plus in Germany. The company name is Amazon. What am I do? I'm just giving you people small sleep to understand. Hello, they're not the year beneath. Let's go.
Order for me winner night shift. Or that for me winner Amazon. Are you getting? Amazon. Order for now winner. Let me shock you. Order for now I mean life contracts. Life contract the winner. I have everything you women. Life contract.
She said her husband was having life contract in Amazon. Hello. They're not the year beneath.
You said make they pay 50 euro.
Order for now winner. Let me shock you. Order for now I mean life.
When you pay 50 euro, you interpret where you do at.
Even pity me, I see the pity show. I've been here.
They are not hearing you. Tanya understand because most people will learn.
I be still take collect 50 euro for all those strangers we not the year beneath. All of them mad for them now. So where?
Iwe no time na boya we ya ne mani bu we ya me na iwe no time ne mani bu normal understanding ya we ya learning.
Okay, where's he?
Chief all that from Ega and winner Amazon. Are you getting? Amazon. Order for now and winner. Let me shock you. Order for now I mean life contracts. Life contracts the winner. I have everything you women. Life contracts. Order for Mega and win. We beg a yes in the time order for me young winner. 5 years plus or young winner. She understand the mama, the manner. So in a reason order for me when I'm a school. Now, let me.
She is trying to tell you guys that it's not compulsory. You don't say use your life work for Jamie. If Jamie want carry you come out, they carry you come out. What did they try to tell us now? What are the listing where he say your husband get life contract? She has said they go school and they get 25 paragraph 25. 9 years ago, men at 25 paragraph 21 S 1122 man. Oh, where you?
That paragraph 25 now the paper where the new do where the law where they pass last.
So the paper where the new do so he say now he get but your husband not get but your husband let's say your husband they use aduro paper.
Your husband get 6 months. What will it cost?
6 months.
Sojourner for Italy.
Husband now 6 months.
So now imagine now say these people feel still wrong. They feel still wrong. Let me say they go Nigeria now come back. With their 25 karat in Yazelo, they still feel wrong. Benjamin, when you 25 Yariowa, 25 of Agbe, Madi.
Oh, young winner. She understand the mama, the man. So, in a reason, I order for men when I'm a school. Near you with me now. Now, let me cut it short. As the end, in a do biomo I have to the bedo ije interview now. The I will be saying it. Sitting at a musa. Yes. Then after set done, iya when ni wa bie na omo ko bie nda bi peka wa biele ni na they have to either interview again either gbe do take the reason ni aya
abeg mona the power tap mona the see the same me give my billionaire friends here when my billionaire please if you know say you be billionaire say hi for comment section I want to see my billionaire people I billionaire take wa if you know say you be billionaire say hi for comment section please don't lie thank you Stella. You even send him a gift. If you know you are a billionaire, say I for comment section. I want to see my billionaire people. Me no feel people no feel they watch me where billionaire not there yet. If you know say you be billionaire, don't lie. If you know say you be billionaire, say I for comment section. I'm a billionaire. You been everyone. You might go a billionaire bon. Billionaire many year. I'm a greedy billionaire again. I'm a greedy billionaire. My brother was a billionaire. These are my greedy billionaire. Billionaire. My billionaire. Greedy billionaire. Go see Stella. And then the boy me. Why you greedy billionaire wa vima o wala wa greedy da a billion wa gesovia some boy. Please. I don't Proud mom, you dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
You dey see many billionaires where they say many. You know they see them?
Hey, pardon, please. Not I to contribute to you.
Kakabo contribute.
Okay, concerning when she born a baby girl, the consent letter come for her, say she can't go another interview. Me, I get 4 girls for this country. All my 4 girls, I go interview for all of them for Bochum at the Padimofi City. If you born girl for Germany, you must go interview unless you quickly get paper. You get paper, you still get some family. If you get
Sister,
paper,
wait. I never plan finish. So never. If this matter you want to talk about, my first plan finish. Me fair for the woman first. Okay.
Now finish because the woman most of the things where she dey talk, I don't know because I not did that level.
Wait, like, I just want to talk to my billionaire fans. Wait, I'm not vex. I'm a billionaire fans. I talk to your son. One plan. If I plan finish, now I can't explain the matter. My your plan finish because my billionaire friends they many years where. But a greedy billionaire, the person was a greedy billionaire. Baba, may they never be greedy. May they never be greedy. All my billionaire fans, may they the arts. What art now? What we say? Big woman, tell me. Let's go.
Yes. Then you have to transfer me. Ariye ekesiti ni taban. Then after sex done. Iya wewe ni wabiena omo kwebie ndabi beka wabiele ni na nia that has to do interview again idegbe do take the reason ni aya stay ye wona. You understand? Idegbe do take the reason ni ana stay ye wona or amu momi ariwa meme be ebitali egeni mekana in ebitali 5 years eiga amen. Bitali. Vorion, Bitali. Now, me and my husband will not make decision. In a way, me I say what I win now. Women are winner. Me I okay. When we now, we even make life contracts. If a school. A Jamie, or when one made or said ya bury my sister. Why go walk be? I don't know bury or your fee. Or when we now book benefit money, and then a Jamie that you will be the next. You will be the next. So what will not be worried about in yes, sister? I will advise you. I plan digitally. Don't go even wire to wire Italy. In case of assets. Ubi enakpa. Very measure my wakume. I'm up with my water. But in a big man, I will be renew. I will be yanning. A white paper me. A white paper ni ana we dey be ade. Ni ma do say the reason ni mana stay here woni. When we wa. Imanjo, a reason ni manajo. I even na ya deported one woman pa e bi ante aken. Mi ante o keshi boa. I even na deported one woman pa e get ni keshi boa with children. Then a certain megage they deport one Ghanaian woman with 3 children. Looking in young man where Iana Moyan Italy, Iama Moyan Ghana. So Saloba noni Ghana or Dogun, Titodet tomorrow you type. Anything of one is we not continue. I'm a Moariowa, but a Maya Niagba that time. Oh, why are we are? But I don't know Italy.
Thank you.
You understand me now? So Nubanata, every normal sunu that wa market can time running. And 2, I will also use this opportunity. Please like this video and share it. Anybody who whether a Jamie or Italy or anywhere, be yanari no man. Ya jowa. Document yanari no man. Ya jowa. Can you imagine why courtesy who here or maybe no who here? Where we be like 10 years in a web or 15 years in a web. I hear what the mistake you 2 years in or 1 year. Well, what the ticket where you were. Who was where you talk? Airport yana he almost to return you where be because document ya jowa. Iya where city mama na what ye beni ya I worry one. When are ye been no me been for many years without where my jowa. I worry any no they are when I go to the ticket. Here, mad reason, however, I'll be the beer and whip on. He only got this or cat me out so on. Many people will lay. Do you understand me? Other than I'll be the behavior, they will put on hygiene. Do you understand? What you been I peer? A cottage of who work for our brother. The reason I know you been when I jar you. What a war ya here. Sister, when I no work by your worry. I worry you been with the ticket you arrive in you wa. Or see any other deporting. Muda where be anari no ma. Ya jowa. Who anari ben in any country. Uke ya rioba. Arie questora. Ya ko fame. Aremiare black ima be that day a questora. Do you understand? Arie writers be Jamie anywhere. Jacob from our way Beni Arie because we may take your work when so say where the gbe ya the ticket, where the gbe ya di. We may see what we are picky way. You understand? So if you don't say na torona you way. When you want clear the hair, and if not saying na do yet be make example, we do what we church in social media. They not they walk, they not they walk. Who now why they walk? What about
Samia, my sister? I give him one, my sister. Yeah, we winner. Yeah, man, you live here. Yeah, man, yeah, everyone. Emmanuel problem. Yeah, my sister Tamia. You will not get anyway when you are mamu. Yeah, you only may have got when it's say. Who say when it's eh? There are different type of work. If I so wow winner, if I so ready to find the most important way, you are okay. For real. Walao, ya di do atebo me. Izaza agala wagbe. Ya di do atebo me ma. Izaza agala wagbe. Wa di do atebo me. Izaza agala wagbe. Let's go. Unmute yourself. No matter if unmute you, the next moment finish when I talk. Yeah, let's go.
we not ya? What then why I win now? Why plan ahead? Because on a set. On a set, Udomana Sunu da when your sister. Where can I believe him? No, I'm Tana. Iga Matata. Ubeg sitting in measure. It can get the Aje Tama when. She understand the man. Ubeg sitting in way. Anari payment. New star. Anari payment. She understand the man. I mega aje school ana pay me e school na the item figure na gba o gare dede imana guata say you can correct me because megi rebuni Italy o give meriri Italy o give mame egi jama me ka gwaze de jama iga force meje iga force gbe meje school e school ni majo wa ni do ajo webo. You understand the man? So waga iga junu pa me si kanya ma na deport lareo where brother and sister what's in here not to deport you. A Jamie, I win outside. A quick. Oh yeah, na me we ubo wa in Nigeria na we Vietnam to give me not a quick notice in here. A Jamie, ya wari a quick notice, you know ma. They will give you quick notice when you buy when you are. So also my
share the live video, my brother. God bless you. Let's go. I see.
Ndofunu da many. Also the
next stream, guys.
I share or suppose me to here. Make bad with bad belly or bad head.
Share the last stream for the land.
In a bitterly, he ain't deport me. Who person me we are 20 years in the whip. What big oh, Matthew only get. What big here? 20 years in me, what baby whip. Area Jamia, what female more why you to the car. More probably the tickets are why deport me. Who die Italian or if you be me, I'm deport me. Am I way a wo? Ni am I very yari we boy. Italy, oh yeah, numero uno Italian, numero uno.
I see, my own Italy numero uno, no, we see, my own. Oh yeah, wanna talk?
Please, may I quick contribute one thing? You see this woman, she left out of fear. I not still blame her. I not to blame her. She go out of fear because she dey fear me they not deport her. And moreover, I will tell some people, most people. When you get paper for your country, stay there where you are. Build your paper. Let your paper done strong before you they come out, go another country. You understand? Build the paper first. Let her strong before you go another country. According to her, I don't know if you born again because when I come up for Aduro, because everybody call you a country of Aduro. When I come up for Aduro, I get paper. Do you understand? I get paper before I come off for Aduro. Yes. So before I can continue to born my children, I don't get my paper done strong. I get paragraph 28 right from time. Do you understand? My paper done strong before I can born my children. So I don't know whether they eat another Aduro. Any picky way you born, you go eat another Aduro. This is my first time to hear this. And another one where that woman talk again say she have 2 years. I don't know. Your husband gets 6 months. Do you understand? And that husband gets 6 months. Your husband they work. She know the work, she dey go school. But the husband's salary, was she covering her or she was still under social? You understand? If she not dey under social, say she dey go school, her husband they work. He go dey more better. They are on a safer side. Like the husband and they work, the husband they cover them. You understand? But if you see the day social, so for me, I feel say it's a risk when you do under social. Because they don't see German, when they give you something with right hand, they won't collect them with left hand. You see this money where they collect from their hands. So So now what did I see for this woman issue? She go out of fear. Maybe they for still carry and go, but I don't know. But for me, it never tell her say me she go. Well, what did they tell her say me she do? She don't grew. She just rock more out of fear. That's what I have to say.
Okay, thank you. Next, please unmute yourself. You get to want to talk. I want to play on that one again.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
The only thing I get to talk, you see this paragraph 25. If you dey travel, you don't have to go straight to your country and not be right as you go ask questions. You go ask questions for lawyer. If you are traveling with JAMA document, go to your lawyer or any lawyer, go ask question. Say this paper, how it be? I think it's on travel. He go tell you yes or no. So see where you use and go. That's all. You understand?
They're hearing you.
Now, good morning. No.
Good morning.
Don Prince, I beg. Not quite long I came. I don't understand Benin. I'm not from Edo. But I don't know who is the person you were playing the record, the woman talking.
Okay, you want to know the person?
Yeah. And I don't understand what she was saying.
Is the wife of Jesus Christ.
Which one be that one now?
You say what?
I say, who would be the person when they talk?
The person when they talk, I say is a wife of Jesus Christ.
Now, so you want to use answer with Jesus Christ, now you be wife.
Madam,
I'm not joking now.
Okay.
Just they come in, not quite
the person
long.
Sister Anita. You know if you know the person, the person is Sister Anita.
But you don't understand Bini. I believe so you don't understand everything.
I don't understand. That's what I'm asking.
So you know, contribute because you don't understand.
But no, the person where they talk, you don't need the person and talk your whole contribution because you know if you know the person.
No, I know they hear Bini.
You know they hear Bini now. She don't understand anything, so she don't feel contribute.
No, I know
they hear what you do my talk.
Madam, calm down. I beg. No, if you contribute, no, if you contribute. But he was explaining it now as he was playing the audio. Well, the title of what I'm seeing there, Vera, junior sister. So I was thinking she's the one talking.
Okay, you mute now. Let me go to the area where you can understand. Now, just wait. Mute yourself.
I'll be fine. I just want to
know.
Okay, contribute your fast before I release on that one. I want to release on that one now.
So when the woman tell say where she born, the country letter say may she come interview white paper. My opinion, let me not talk, and it happened to me too. Now 4 guests I get for this country. As I dey born the reach house, after 1 week, both go send me letter say I need to go interview for my baby, not a crime, not be bad thing. I will go there, they will tell me say, waiting me believe say my baby will stay this country. Need to tell me, but me I can't talk the one way I know for inside. I will still talk, because now waiting hold me, now hold my pikin. They'll say, okay, no problem. I will come out. They'll send me letter say negative. They'll say me I go re-happy for her. I'll go re-happy. They'll give her dudu. Because dudu me they carry waka. Then no. So the other one again for me, madam na fear make you come out for Germany. Na fear. Because Germany na one country be say if you not get mad, no come. Me not get mad, but my husband get the mad. Then call they press me down. Say no worry, everywhere go good. Because me self don't even decide to leave the country because immediately I enter Germany. 2018, I come out for camp 2019. Now they give me dundun. I can't do the work for this country for good 6 years. They not remove one. If they stamp and put, as I they born they come, they give my baby the same dundun. I say I don't fit the guy, I won't come out. My husband say wait. I don't go to their language school. I get them living in Deutschland. I get the ice fight. What you want for me again? Now my head do not want. So James and one country be say if you not get the med, don't come. But if you know say you get the man, you won't fit stay, you stay. Once they give you that letter, say go, you go. Me, I get person where they give 124C, I don't know how they call that document, 1 year and 6 months document. They tell the woman say, may you go work, may you go school. If he expire, may she bring her. But when they not go school, she can't go to work. When he expire, she go there, they give her back dudu. They give her dudu, say, may go bring the bill Deutschland before they give her 2 years, paragraph 25B. The woman go school. She don't even go to school. She go write down. She go write the exam. Then she go give them. They give her paragraph 25B. Case closed. Now when you not go give them what they want, now they will tell react follow you. Oh. This Jamie, want to follow the talk. So I know say they're bad. Me not they argue that because they do me. I carry do the worker for 6 years for this country. I know we come here, come praise me or come
you carry do waka for 6 years.
Yes, 6 years apart. The day when they give me document, they even tell me say if I want to collect plastic, make I return their dodo back to them. When I want to collect my plastic, November 2025, now I carry their dodo go still give them. I give them, they give my plastic. Yes, I carry waka. I come here 2018, August 28, I turn print. As August, July 28, I turn print August 1st. I come out for camp 2019. Now they give me dodo. I take lawyer finish my money every month. Na 50 that they give lawyer. May I do remove dodo come out for my husband. Lawyer tell me say you go do one. Lawyer not do anything. Thing we go cause now it don't reach for you to get documents.
Thank you, madam. People, I believe
Yes,
through
please,
your
I will talk something.
You want to talk something?
I just talk something.
Okay.
This woman where you places where they places what you may see for her now fear, because if you hear everything what she they talk what she take come out, she say it happened to this one, it happened to that one where she see. You understand? Sometimes what the kind people come out for country, they're not gonna tell you truth to. They're not gonna tell you say see at the really happen no. You understand? So you go there guess by yourself. But it's still dey okay as she still come out to as thank God say it can't still favor her. You understand? Say they're not gonna take her on her way. But maybe if she still, I would say she still go that commission when they give her. It type of say commission. I don't know what they call her for Deutschland for there. I would say maybe she still go. The interview, I would say she still go the interview. Maybe everything for still dey okay. They will not see the pot her enemy. You understand? Now just fear say it happen to this one, it happen to that one, it happen to that one. I make her she just back on her bar.
Okay, now fear make that woman come out.
Yeah, na fear. Na fear.
Good afternoon. Who want to new word?
Pardon, sir. I talk best at the lab. Domo.
I greet you.
Domo, sir. That is Jennifer.
Who they talk now? That bros where they deport they talk. Who will help that?
Yes, man. No, yes. Not me.
So how can we help you now?
And I did drop message for WhatsApp before. I said that guy, I not come here or find again. Because last time where I dropped message for you, you can't say you will call the guy. Say you call the guy. Say the guy saying this, going to call you back. Say you let me know how you work out for the matter.
Yeah, that was our last conversation. I called the guy. I called the guy. Called and say Alpha. I called to say man over bro. Your day class. He will call me back. Since 2 days now, he never call me. So bless the guy don't define that while again because in life, because that day we will do that program. The old brother, your junior brother say why support the guy with 500,000. So that made the money for easy. And that guy said, no, me bro, I'm not supporting. He will fit pay the money. And as at now, I never still fit pay the money. That mean that boy the first problem. So don't worry, if I finish the program again, I'll call him. Okay, if I call him this time, and if not, before we can know what you will do. And that brother that time, if I never get that brother contact.
No, I don't get a contact.
That day, I fuck up. I collect that brother contact. Somebody says, please, now still remember this guy, Sha. Man, bring you call the. Please, if you know say you still remember this guy who support that time, where they deport, if you know say you still remember and say yes, we'll donate money given at that time when we can say person when give money, can you still remember and the guy be this. Okay, since that time now, they say that man where say me bro not support her, see as we they talk like bro, the man never still give her the money. And they see the way you might be they do it. The man they talk that day almost 2 months plus or you go to 3 months now, you not gonna give her money. If you start to the carry, do what you not supposed to do now, they'll say that we the fuck up. Meanwhile, now they fuck up. It will say they collect the 500,000 way junior brother say one give that day. He have 500,000 general 1 million for those to basically complete. We know some that 1.2 can remain. Not be 2.2 million, I be 2.3 million. How much?
No. 2.5. You can't say 2.5. 90 will be round figure because we can't check 2 point something 3 something. You can say okay, round figure now 2.5. You can say okay, now that 2.5 in go pay no wahala.
Okay. It will say he collect 500,000 for his brother that day. He put 500,000 journal. I think 1 million does still come out. They will remember 1.5. These guys, he called the form big man. He say make his brother not support him. Make his brother not. His brother the say make his support with 500,000. This guy no agree. Make a brother support him 500,000. He saying go fit do him. Nah. This guy did Nigeria and they suffer. Wait till this guy want his money to do enough it. He tied the money down. So my brother, don't worry. You say?
So waiting is that guy matter. Now 419 injury they do for this matter. Because he don't take away the promise. It's promising more than the. I ask him, he can't tell me say on the 5th. I call him now, they go here since then now. No call, nothing. That guy now just 419 injured be that money to pay and they add down. That be the thing. He don't repay that money.
Don't worry. I'll call her again for the last time. If I don't call her for the last time, I will hear what he want to talk. You understand me? So me know the problem. So I will call her for the last time. If I call her for the last time now, I will hear what he want to talk. Okay? So I will let you know.
Okay, sir. Come on, sir.
Mama.
Where's the Baba?
So my people, let's play. We'll continue Vera Junior Sister talk. Okay? We're not listen to Vera Junior Sister.
Run, you they run. Wow. After many years for Europe, now run, you they run. Wow, Bell. Our markets. 15 years for Germany. Now overnight you can't enter bus come out. No, why you they go Belgium? If you want buy bunch away, seize all the old prick. Make prick no they make care. Person when you from 8 years they fuck.
8 years.
Me and person. Benjamin say total white. Say total they smell. Now Benjamin talking 2017.
Now Benjamin shut up. He total they white he smell, but now the total they give a picking. Help bele kia de be. No salo Benjamin. Get na Benjamin no say total white. He smell. Benjamin salo.
Caro, person when you from 8 years they fuck. Me and person. Benjamin say total white. Say total they smell. Now Benjamin talking 2017. Now Benjamin is man talking say they smell. What we are. That's why Benjamin never drink to stupor. Benjamin no fit the fuck. Now Benjamin is man talking 2017. All time. If Benjamin verse, then we not let Benjamin verse. So if he verse enter bunch away, then you go hear what I tell you so.
They go see saga.
You go hear everything. It not fair talk. Okay, tell it before.
Saga.
It said nothing when Benjamin never fair talk. The one when Botro they force him. The way I've been at the one when Botro will lie. Waiting make her come the verse for me say she lie. Or she's so useless to the extent. The time when she open her cow to the bone, she don't think they can't they lie. Benjamin go need money yourself and he not get and Botro will not give her money. Make on your let Benjamin verse. I don't feel all those things in 2020, 2017, 216 to 17. Yes. Nothing when Benjamin not talk. Nothing. When I mean nothing. Say that one call you. Oh my mom. Now only she they shout they go my mom. That one not send the papa. I make you give her money. If not be money, when Benjamin, when Bonto, when they give her for child benefits, Benjamin go come give her 50 euro for inside. You think Benjamin go there with Bonto? That is why, that's why they say make it go Nigeria. No benefit for Nigeria. No child support for Nigeria. And I don't know that's it. I wish they deport. Child support not in Nigeria. I mean, they're going to pay child support for Nigeria. Child support in Nigeria. Tinubu say he would pay for children that time. He did. Child support not in Nigeria. The Bontrowe will say he won't go meet Benjamin for me. Oh, kai. Benjamin no say money not there. He did with Bontrowe because the children money when they shop. Then Benjamin now he go to Nigeria. That's why I don't want to look Bontrowe when they tell me. I got me time. I got me time. Now Benjamin go on live video when he go they bruise him. All the way video. You know the one way they do things when Bontrowe shame not they look at the online video. 1 week not they pass. Make Benjamin not bruise Bontrowe. The time when I get belly, when my baby daddy get problem, I can't do. But we can't do that and they talk say, oh, I know the fuck. My baby daddy no day. I know there with man. When I get belly, when I tell us I get belly, I won't born. My baby daddy don't really quarry. I was single. You know? He said me I not do baby shower with my baby daddy because me and my baby daddy not there. That bunch away. You see those 3 follies and when she born for Germany. Same when she get belly, she know they post those in best side though.
Wait.
That
4 children. Now Benjamin born. Now Vera born for Benjamin. 4 children. 4 children plus 5 within Nigeria. It could be 9. Vera, how old are you? I don't understand. 4 children. Now Vera born for Benjamin. Somebody have 4 children. Vera will get 5 children for Nigeria. Called Zuka say na 3. But you know, this sister is not 4 children. Faith, good morning, my beautiful sister. 4 children. Mona listen, his sister they talk now. Vera's sister. Vera get 5 children for Nigeria. They say happy Father's Day. Today na Father's Day. Man. Father's Day. Father the boost of our way boo. Magi am your more. Yeah, Magi am your more. Many papa they suffer for abroad. They don't see their pikin for her. It will be a mokba. It will be a mokba. Why we Father's Day? A Father's Day. Why where? Now Mother's Day with the see. See go Mother's Day. I'm a Father's Day. It will be a mokba. Who got your bastard call you on? Who be a mona? Who me a mona? See the one we come out for a no get platform which day. Say me no get consider the deporter. You know, ask her, say, what you know, they do say, and the husband, you know, the agree made the husband see the picking, the husband can the verse, you know, agree made the man see the picking. Now you get picking, what about them? Now you get picking, they don't deport you now, not agree made the man cost for Nigeria. When I was there abroad, when I not agree made man cost picking. When I the casting and a be offer, no bigger, at the deport and I may not agree made the man cost now. May not agree, run come out, brother help me. If they hold you, pikin, come like now let they get on. Come like say you when they pound down every day. What you they pound down, better pounding. Pikin will come now, they'll come they take glory. They'll come they use blackmail, they use children to they blackmail many fathers. You know how many fathers they get depression for abroad? Many fathers get depression for abroad. So my sister, Father's Day, yeah, why I shit him out. They use Father's Day. That is why you say Father's Day. Many people don't know whether Father's Day they exist. Yeah, yeah, shit, man. Man, they don't 50% of they enjoy their children. Government is higher. Any small thing, government will share everywhere. Oh, yeah. May you come up for the house of them. The woman with the happy say government they drive a picking. The woman with the happy say government they drive a man. You can't get us. You can't do well. You can't do well. You do agbo. How do agbo? Ask me, go Suleke, go this thing, go see many father for this thing, go see your worker for this area. Get one player, go show them one demo, go see people, papa. Maybe say there's people, papa. You go tell you, say, bros, I get 3 children. My wife chased me more for us. She's 3 years now, not there. So I say she's 2 months, 3 months. Where did they sleep? I'll go show you. Nigeria boys, we get children for you. Their wife, they collect for government with those children. They collect for government. Government they pay them. Or they come they form big. Or they look the man they suffer. Man will give you belly. Go they suffer. You go they happy. Come on, they come. That's small. Come on, they come. Una way they use children as blackmailing to men. Una way they do one. Come on, they come. Say you get good mind. You get good mind. Say you know the man they fuck up. Now you God will bless you. But if you know say they blackmail the man with those children, God is watching you. Almighty God is watching you. Imagine that they tell me about Father's Day. I never know say today na Father's Day. I never know say today na Father's Day. Imagine my sister now tell me about Father's Day. Blackmailing, it's not good.
Don't freeze. Good morning.
I greet you. Good morning.
I said they'll breed bra for you now. Your breast not the big.
Idiot where? And women were worried about Abi, and women were worried. And women were Abi, Kaboare.
A woman problem. A woman want the city to get out of bad boy.
Larry, hello, you are not hearing me. Larry. Larry. Me, what see? You are looking at breast. You are looking at breast. Imagine. My sister, what's soon now? When we are Okbe ade okay wa o wenwe. That for time when we na organo. O ha me happy already. Already.
Double sorry of where.
Did you of say na gbo for na? Mama, where mama proud more talk to if you born picky like me. If you dey similar, don't they get joy say your picky dey try.
They get joy if as I say better woman dey so the pikin go dey enjoy now.
No, for example, now say you born me, for example, now me come visit you like this. You know what to say this my pikin is doing well, is okay.
Yes,
at least now pikin when you carry come out, we be say they no say the pikin they try.
And also there.
My stand up, me they see. My stand up, no say they no they see me if I stand. My stand, more they look me well.
Stand up, but they put some women for heart attack.
See, my stand for now. Look me well. Me I beg me see. Look me where? Look me. You see me?
Yeah, I see you.
Look me where? Even boy.
Your wife they do her job. Your wife they do her job well.
You see me? You see me?